See, later in the video, you'll see that to the naked eye, you would never know that Bob had even touched this car afterwards. Something that's key here is that Bob finds the exact grade of aluminium that's used in the original chassis leg. And as he's been doing this type of stuff for years, he managed to find it pretty quick, and now we can start building up the leg. And from what I'm seeing, it looks like he's building it up corner by corner, using parts of the metal to make sure it goes in a nice straight line. Then just to confirm he's done it right, he's going to see if he can slot on the end piece, which does look like it goes on, and then he's going to cut it back down to the original size.
Now we need to make sure that the height is correct out here. So I'm going to get another piece of aluminium, I'm going to put it across the top, I'm going to grind the weld flat, and then I can use the weld almost like a hinge to move this up or down to get it in line with the surface of this bit. Make sure it's absolutely perfect.
Okay, 4 corners are complete, time to build the centre of the chassis leg out by sliding in a piece of aluminium into the middle and then welding it from the inside outwards. First, he's going to add tack welds to it before he commits to welding the full thing in place. And then he's building this chassis leg outwards just like a box. Just to confirm that everything's good, back on goes the end piece.
First time. First time.
And by that smile, we can clearly see things are going well. Time to weld it up for good. Now by looking at it, you can clearly see that it's not going to look exactly like the other side. But when you see later in the video, you'll see that to the naked eye, you would never know that Bob had even touched this car afterwards. Now he's lining up the front plate and welding it to the rest of the frame of the car. For now, he's just sanding off some of the welding he's just done to make sure the area is flat, then tapping in some threads for the crash bar bolts to go in, and that is pretty much job done.